Hey guys, Porcha here, and today I'm going to be unboxing my ring light with a tripod. So I have been recording videos for about a year now, and it's time for me to get a better setup. Here, let me show you. Alright guys, so here's my current setup. I have the cell phone holder arm, and then I have my ring light. Now it has been working for about 6 months now, but it is time for a change. What I need is the ability to be able to adjust the height of the cell phone depending upon what I am filming. And then I want the sturdiness and the stableness of the actual ring light itself. So like as it stands right now, if I move the desk, this is moving. If I bump this, this is moving. So it's sitting on a shelf. So this is not sturdy at all. So I have to, when I go to record, I have to literally wait for the arm to stop moving in order to start recording, and that's no good. So in this brand new setup, we are looking for flexibility and sturdiness. So let's see what we got. So I just ordered this from Amazon, and with Prime, it only took 2 days, so I'm definitely happy about that. All right, we don't need any of this. So this box is so deceptive. I thought this thing was much bigger. So let's move that out of our way. Okay, so we got a nice little carrying case here. All right, so I can tell this piece is to actually hold the cell phone itself. This is another adjustment for like a cell phone. We have the remote to change to the different variations of color that the light will give off. The power cable, another hookup, and then this is also a cell phone holder as well. And now with this one, I did read you could put in there a tablet if you needed to. So they have plenty of adjustments for that, and we'll figure out which one we need. I have the Samsung Note, so it is a rather big phone, so we'll see how that works out for us. And we got our tripod. All right, so the goal is, guys, I'm gonna go ahead and put this together. So we don't really need this right now. Let's see what's in here. It should be the light itself. All right, so this is the centerpiece of it all, very well packaged. All right, let's try to put this bad boy together, see how easy that is. All right, guys, so it looks like, of course, I got to play with it a little bit, but right now I'm already happy with what I'm seeing. So I have found flexibility so I can adjust the height, and this is completely sturdy. So when I do go to start my videos, it will not be shaking all over the place like it was previously. Another thing I like about this, if I want to turn it in any direction that I need to, this is certainly an option as well for the device. Now you also have another option for setup. You can do just like we see here, 3 devices at a time. And in the first, I first showed you guys the setup with this particular piece, but you have 2 pieces like this. And those 2 pieces can go in the middle, like I have right here, or on either side. So you technically can have both of the bendable arms to the left and the right, and then you could put the sturdy one or the non-bendable one in the middle. Based off the way I'm going to be using it, I think this setup is going to be perfect for me because I like the ability to have the device, the recording device, right there in the middle. So that's probably what I'm going to do, but I will play with it a little bit more to figure out what my actual angle is going to be. So if we turn this on again, ooh, so now I'm like really excited. So say for instance I was recording this and showing you guys this mug, we would clearly see everything. I think the lighting is awesome, so I'm really excited to use this. I will be doing a couple of projects later this week using this particular light setup, but I think I have a winner right here. It's also Bluetooth capable, so we can hook it up to our cell phone if we want to like do selfies or anything like that. I can't foresee myself using that, but I never know. You never know what's going to happen in the future. But yeah, guys, overall I'm completely happy with this new purchase, so we just got to see how it works out. But yeah, guys, if you got any questions, concerns, emotional outbursts, let me know. If you haven't done so, go ahead and subscribe to Coloring Portia. But until next time, peace.